Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select sound and vibration, and here we've got silent D&D, so just open it, and now you can select each option you prefer. So you can select either a regular one, so all sounds will work normally, or you can select silence, and this mode calls and notification will be silenced, or you can select D&D, so do not disturb, and in this mode silence sounds and turn off vibration except from the alarm. So this is what this mode will do. You can also allow some incoming calls by tapping on allow incoming calls, and now you can allow calls from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or from none of the above. Let me pick from start contacts only. And then you can also select this option, which is notify about repeat calls. If you will activate it, you will allow sound from the calls repeated within 15 minutes in silent mode. And you can also schedule turn on time, so just click on it, scheduled, select timer 1 and tap on add. And here you can select the name of this rule. It can be, for example, hard reset, tap on OK. Then on which days you would like to have this mode be automatically activated, so select custom, and let me pick, for example, from Monday to Wednesday. So on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this mode will be automatically activated. And now it's time to select the period of time, so it's from 10 to, for example, 6 next day. And let's finally select the mode which should be activated, so maybe D&D, the more strict one, and then tap on OK. So from now on, let me take a look. From now on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday between 10 and 6 next day, D&D mode will be automatically activated. So let's go back. If you would like to switch off this rule, simply tap over here to switch it off. And now it's off. Also, if you will tap over here, you will be able to permanently delete this rule. So just tap on minus. And now, as you can see, there is no rules. You can add some new one if you want to. So actually that's it. If you would like to have some quick access to your D&D mode, you can slide down the upper bar, and here is silent, so it's this mode you can automatically activate it here, and then you can switch it off the same way. So that's it. Enjoy your D&D mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.